Welcome to Benchmark Chocolate Factory. Cocoa tree in India is an intercropping plant, and these cocoa pods are harvested when bright yellow. These pods are cooked, fermented,
at least taste kuda chepira ready okka nimisham
ila and further grinding to a liquid paste. Cocoa bean roasting is done at 125 degrees Celsius, where beans are roasted, and once roasted beans are broken, then they are grinded at 20 degrees Celsius in all mill machine, and then cocoa bean is liquefied when grinded with heating. It is called as cocoa mass. In conching of milk chocolate, 15 kilograms of cocoa mass, 15 kilograms of milk powder, 14 kilograms of sugar, and 22 kilograms of cocoa butter is added. For white chocolate, 30 kilograms cocoa butter, 14 kilograms sugar, 22 kilograms of cocoa powder are the main ingredients. Dark chocolate is added with 34 kilograms of cocoa mass, 14 kilograms of sugar.
guys, we got 5 chocolates. Take and take ఒకసారి
ఆలు ఇచ్చారా?
yes ఇప్పుడు అది చేసింది.
Chocolates sir. This mix box sir 250 grams 210 rupees 10 gram item adu 100 gram 220
నాకే వైట్ చాక్లెట్ తీసుకోరా.